Hello everybody, it's Vasriotaep. Welcome for this new video, an unusual video, because it's an unboxing and I don't do a lot of unboxing. This package has been sent by BangGood and I thank them, so now I will open it to see what is inside. I guess you should have an idea of what's inside. And it's a kind of camouflage. It's very special. I can see some fabric parts falling everywhere. It looks like so sneaky. It's a kind of outfit for snipers with a fake vegetation in 3D. And I think it's called a 3D camouflage. So the first item is a vest. A small vest and the pants. With an elastic. This outfit should be a woodland camo, but as you can see it's more like a dark forest. I'm not sure it will fit in the forest of the southern France, especially in the summer, but I will see because I will try it soon. And you can buy this outfit for about $30 on BangGood without shipping fee, of course because on BangGood there is no shipping fee. And it should increase the camouflage of some players, especially for the snipers. So I had to try it soon. Alright, I will not make the review now, but as I can see it's very lightweight. You have to put this above your classic outfit because it's lightweight, so it will not protect you. I think I will be very careful of everything in the forest which could damage it. I will put it outside first because as you can see there is a lot of small fabric parts falling everywhere. That's not very cool. I see I can adjust it with this kind of stuff. There is a hood. There is a lot of thread everywhere. So you will find it in review very soon. And on the package I saw this. It's because from the 7th to the 9th September they will make their 11th anniversary, so they will make a special event. There is a little discount code, so if you want to buy something on their shop, try from the 7th September and you will see what they will do. When it's done, well, it's not done. Another package from BangGood. I received it just after the first one, so it's too bad I didn't receive it before, but it should be on the same videos. So what's inside? So first it's a kind of balaclava still with this strange 3D camo. There is an elastic for eyes. It's a little bit curious. Once again, no elastic above. Well, I'm very curious to know how it will look like. Anyway, it's still to increase your camouflage. So I will try it soon. So the next product. Oh, sorry, the balaclava, you can find it for about $12 if I remember well. always with shipping fee because there is no shipping on BangGood. Oh, it's hard to open. And it's a cap with 3D camouflage. This is a real hunting cap. It's really for getting a very good camouflage. I'm really curious. So this little cap cost around $8. The cap is really lightweight, and the fabric is lightweight too. There is a little velcro for the closing system, it's enough. You can see it's really not a conventional camo, it's really more like a forest or tree camo. I think it should be really effective, but it's also very dark. I think it's more adapted to the forest of the north of France than the south of France. Voila, we will see, and I let you with the ending of the video. And it's over, it was quick as I said, I don't make often unboxing, and you will see this on review very soon. Okay, ciao ciao!